Hello, today I am in a garage and here we have something interesting to see. We have wall heating. So here we have warm wall and it is heated by Danfoss ECmat. Let's check it with thermal vision instrument where you can see heat. So just beneath the window we have a heating surface. We can even see a supply pipe which comes from a boiler room. What else we can see? We can see garage gates, quite cold, and here we have a warm ECmat surface. It is connected here. And let's open windows. And here we have a connection of mat to our system. Here we have supply pipe to wall marked in red. Here we have blue, it is return. Here we have FJVR valve which is regulating return temperature, and we can regulate it from 10 degrees to maximum return 50 degrees. So using this kind of valve, mat can be connected to a higher temperature system, let's say radiator system, or it can be connected to a floor system. Here we have two pipes, supply return. I think it is 18 or 20 diameter. It's fully enough. The regular one 16 dimension, and two shut-off valve. This FJVR valve can also be connected inside of your manifold, supply manifold, together with radiators. In case you would need to regulate room temperature, because this regulates only surface temperature. FJVR valve regulates surface temperature. If you would need to regulate room temperature, you would need room controller, and this room controller can be connected to thermal actuator mounted on a supply manifold. Okay, so these masts are usually used for walls, floors, or ceilings, whatever you would like to. Very suitable for renovation, because mat is together with pipe. It is 10 millimeters thin, 8 millimeters pipe, and 2 millimeters fiber mesh. Together they are glued. You can cut mat but not pipe, and lay it as you would like to in your room. If you would need more mats, because maximum, the biggest one is 3 square meters, you can put some more mats in a wall, so or in the floor, and connect with FJVR valves like this, or you can put in wall FJVR valve, the one you can see it on a picture. So mats are usually used the same as electrical mats. Just electrical mats are 2.5 up to 5 millimeters thin, and this one, water mat, is 10 millimeters thin. You can heat floor, you can heat wall. For example, you can use it instead of towel rail. Here you can have hang some towels, then hot air from wall would go up, would circulate in the room and make those towels dry. Okay, if you have some more questions, please put them in the comments. I will try to answer them, or you can find some information on internet just typing Danfoss ECmat. And I hope it was useful. Thank you and goodbye.